It's me, it's Jamal Justice again, and I just want to start off by asking a weird question. How does a birthday party, or Brian's birthday party, end up like this? The answer is a lot and a lot of drinking. We shotgunned 10 beers that night. Well, I drank 10 beers, but we all shotgunned 9 beers. And Ty showed up at the end, kind of barfed after one beer. Anthony and Simon drank the next day during Century Club. It was a lot of drinking. I'll show you guys some videos.
Stay tuned, boys and girls. Stay tuned.
Yes.
Memories.
So Brian Doe's birthday.
Hey,
Hold on, we gotta wait for Albert.
count on 1, 2, 3.
Hey, she's not even ready. She's not even in a perfect stance.
She's not gonna do it.
Fucking
She's
weak.
gonna do it.
Fucking weak.
Oh yeah, you can see the Hulk.
Watch how the Hulk beats me by like 10 seconds.
Oh.
The Hulk.
I'm about to take the title.
Ew, you're so gross.
That's how I get ready.
Shit, my hole's smaller than everybody else.
Oh, damn. Happy birthday,
Hey.
Jay.
Birthday, Brian.
Brian,
Damn,
go.
you got a giant hole. 1, 2,
I
3.
got a small.
I'm ready.
That's
Oh,
half
1, 2,
the
3, guys.
candy.
1, 2, 3.
What the fuck happened to him?
Can't see you.
Number two.
1, 2,
21 years
3.
old. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What do you guys vote hell up?
For me, for
Wait, what?
Dwight Howard.
Dwight Howard. No.
Yeah,
No,
Dwight
no,
Howard.
he's leaving. He's leaving.
King LeBron.
No, let's do it.
To Kobe.
Cheers. 1,
Travis Outlaw.
1,
You, baby.
2, 3.
Travis, I'm coming for you. That's number 3.
Go.
You're next. Stay tuned, boys and girls. Stay tuned.
Yeah, flat, yeah.
Do it, the Hulk. Do it.
You're not done yet! Oh my god. Throw it at him! Throw it
Throw it at the camera. Throw it at the camera. Oh, damn. Hey, guys, who's that?
That's the Hulk.
That's the Hulk, right? Did you see him transform? Now he's coughing. He's a little bitch.
The Hulk's a bitch.
What do you say?
The Hulk is a bitch.